I'm super excited to share with you our finished master bedroom closet and all of my favorite features. It would be tough to pick my very favorite feature because I love everything about this closet, but one of them has to be these mirrored front cabinet doors. I love that you can have a full-length mirror to see what you look like after you've gotten ready, and it doesn't take up extra wall space. And then inside these cabinets, they're nice and deep, tons of storage. Another feature that makes this closet so glam is the lighting. So we have this fabulous chandelier and there is LED lighting across the crown molding. So all you do is press this button and then you get the ambiance with all this lighting across the crown on this side and across the other side. Truly elevates this closet to the next level. Taking the cabinets to the ceiling really creates a grand effect. And especially when you have crown molding at the top and LED lights, it just makes it look so elegant. Another stunning feature in my new closet are these glass front doors with the metal frames on them. I think it looks really sharp and so modern, and it's great having all of my shoes on these racks. And I especially love how everything is enclosed behind either glass or mirrored or wooden doors. Keeps all the dust off of everything. Having this center island has created so much storage, and I love how on this side it's white drawers and on this side we have gray drawers, and I think this gray is so pretty. And then check out this feature. I decided to get a jewelry drawer. So this is an insert that Organizers Direct can provide that has all the little cutouts for your favorite jewelry pieces, and it's really nice to have it here in the closet.